Msichana wa kamera ako hapa.
This is the gin sauce in Tanzania.
Time tasting a local brew in Tanzania, to be specific. Here for lunch, we're testing Tanzanian food. We are in Nyakabiga, Burundi, one of the smallest countries in Africa. This is cassava leaves. This is beans. Guys, we are in Burundi. Guys, we are in Rwanda. Roasted. This is egg mixed with boiled bananas and peanuts. Join me as I take on this challenge as I'm traveling to taste the East African food. I mean Tanzania, Burundi, Rwanda and Uganda. This is my first meal here in Tanzania. As you can see, leg soup and meat is very tasty. So guys, this is leg soup. I can't count legs. And there is the meat for the cow leg. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Mama, look at the Hii ni kama breakfast.
This is life of travelers, you see?
Good.
Wow. Tasty, guys. We are in the rural Tanzania, man.
This is 15.
Guys, we are here for lunch. We're testing Tanzanian food. Here is the juice, passion juice. Let me have a taste and tell you how Tanzanian juice tastes like. I don't think it's in Kenya. It's very tasty, man. So guys, I'm in Kabanga and this is nighttime. I'm having mshakiki. These are just some pieces of roasted. This is egg mixed with chips and it's so tasty. And so I'm having some Kenyan tea with ginger. So let's dig in. Whole time I'm having this. Oh, so tasty. Guys, this is the gin sauce in Tanzania. The most common. Also the sauce in Tanzania. You'll find this everywhere. So good. Thank you for watching. Time tasting a local brew in Tanzania, to be specific, in Arusha. It's how it looks. It is fermented millet and unripe bananas. Let's have a taste. It's a bit bitter, but not so bad. But you know, to me, in our village, we ferment porridge, so I don't feel like it's even a brew, but I've heard when you take a liter of this, you're going to feel a bit stimulated. So let me see. I beg you go try. So guys, I'm going to test. We are in Burundi right now. Yeah, at the city right in the border of Tanzania and Burundi. This is my first meal here in Burundi. Beans and chapati. This is made from wheat flour. It's also common in Kenya, like it's common in East Africa. So let's dig in and see. Nice. This is black tea, also common in East Africa. Yeah. Let's taste this one for Burundi. Wow. This first. Taste here. We are done with the food. This is Burundi raw unfiltered water, yeah? Let me taste it. Salt. It's nice, it's not salty. I hope it's not going to affect me. Look at the shape of the cup. It's giving, yeah? This is cassava leaves. This is beans. And this is rice. Yeah, Burundian food. This is the first food we are tasting in Burundi. Rice, which they are calling pilau, but it's not fat. And we have beans. And sorry, I had already started eating the meat because I was so hungry. The beans are so. This is my second day in Burundi, and I'm having breakfast. This is chapati, very common in East Africa. This is black tea with ginger, very nice. And I've ordered also some beans. I hope they're gonna bring. Yeah, it's tasty. Trust me. And then after that, we are going to explore Bujumbura. Hello.
Arupacino Nyakabiga ya kabiri kwibarabara rya kane inimero 7 hepfo ya SOS.
Ngoja. Msichana wa kamera ako hapa. So guys, I'm in Burundi and still on food and things. This is also common in East Africa. Ugali made from corn flour, that is maize flour, and beans and meat and vegetables. So let's dig in. We have to put some pilipili, inaitwaje kwa kizungu? Pepe. Umesema ni nyingi? Iko na jina nyingi. Usiweke sana. The food we're going to have for lunch, we're just seated by the road.
Hizi ni tatu.
Tatu.
Extra fresh.
We are in Nyakabiga, Burundi, one of the smallest countries in Africa. We're having beans and chapati.
Dunga.
Dunga chapo, urol udunge, ukule hivi. I've noticed that chapati is common in East Africa. And don't worry, we're just seated by the road. And Burundi, it's so clean, guys. Yeah. Let's dive in.
Sasa kwenye intro yangu inasema haraka. Like yangu iko full. Nataka unishoot nikifanya intro.
It's my first time testing beans cooked with palm oil, and it's not tasty. A traveler's mind? It tastes so bad, I'm telling you. I'm not going to have it. I'll just go home with my chapati.
Mnajua kwa nini mimi huambia wase waniletea kwa
Haki ya Mungu. Najua.
Yazoea.
Ni nani mbona anagonga?
Ni yangu.
Ya huyu.
Anagonga tu.
Record. Gonga ingine.
Ya nini?
Guys, we are in Burundi. This is boiled eggs.
Bwana. Aya, mpe huyu moja. Haya.
Kula hivi. Shuka na jam. Twende tukakule huku. Restaurants. Guys, we are in Rwanda. Rwanda. This is my first meal. This is a whole plate of matoke. That is boiled bananas. This is rice. This is beans. This is chips. This is corn flour. Let's have a taste. So this one goes for yeah. Let me test everything and let you know how it is. This is meat soup. Wow. That is like a sauce, yeah? Let me taste. But the corn flour is so white. Why? Angai na mungi ma kutia salt. So guys, this is on the second day we are in Kigali, Rwanda, and I'm also having a whole plate of beans, greens, chips, cooked bananas, rice with the calling pilau, but I don't think so. Then meat. This one cost $1. Yeah. So let me have a taste and tell you how it is. Not that good. It's not bad. It's nice. Here at the border of Rwanda and Uganda, Gatuna, and we've stopped for lunch because when we started the journey we had eaten nothing. This is what we have, the common traditional food here in Uganda. And
what is that? Let me see.
So we have, this is bananas, type of boiled bananas and peanuts. Yes.
Imenikumbusha hiyo village sana. Inawasha. Hii ni pilipili aina gani hii? Dawa ya macho.
Nimejua amepika na mafuta na kwa wakaiweka hapo.
Ndo mtu aweke hivyo. Sina washa? Sija moto.
Tutanunua kitu iko na nini kukaa. Thanks for joining me on this epic culinary adventure. If you have a favorite East Africa dish, be sure to share it with me in the comments below. And if you are curious about global cuisines, be sure to check out my next video, where we be exploring the flavors of another incredible region. Thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for always commenting and sharing your thoughts. Be safe.